Okay, we're going to be working on a couple of our train parts, part 3 and 4, the hitch magnet and the hitch peg. Our finished hitch peg is going to look like this. Our finished hitch magnet is an amazingly easy part. It looks like that. So let's go ahead and get started with the easy part, part 3, the hitch magnet. Start a new part, 2D sketch, and it is nothing more than 2 circles. The first circle is 0.450 in diameter, and the second circle, the internal, is 0.250. Finish sketch, and we are going to extrude this 0.250. So click on that. The distance is 0.250, and there we go. Now this is a magnet, so you probably want to save this as some sort of black color. Your next piece, the actual hitch peg, is going to be done as a revolved feature, which you've done in some of your previous drawings. So we're going to start a new part, 2D sketch, and start with a center line, which is 0.65 long. So line, center, 0.65. Okay, so we've got that done now. When we look at the bottom, this is 0.25 in diameter. So click off center line, and we're going to draw a line from the center straight up, 0.25 divided by 2, which is 0.125. Let me delete the dimension so you can sort of see what I'm doing. So you've got that, it's 0.125 long. Now next you'll see the next feature is 0.5 inches away. So we are going to draw a line 0.5 inches right there. And that takes us up to this lip right there, which you can see is 0.40 in diameter. What we're going to do is draw a line and see how it coincident constraints in line there. Start at the center line, go up 0.40 divided by 2, so we get, half of it, and that is what it should look like. Now next we need this dome top right here, which we see is SR, standard radius 0.208. Use the arc tool, 3-point, click the end point of that line, the end point of that line, and we are going to enter 0.208. And that gives us the dome top right there. Going to have to trim this. So we trim that line. Oops. Delete the dimension right there. Then trim that line. Still messing around. Delete that. Now I'll give it a try. There we go. So now we should be pretty well good to revolve. Let's finish this sketch and revolve, and there it just pops right to it. This piece you're probably going to want to save as some sort of decorative color. Make it fit the color scheme that you're choosing for your train. If it's black or white. This is a peg, it's a metallic part, so you can make it whatever color you really want to dream up. Okay, so these are 2 parts, part 3 and 4. Stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as need in order to get these parts done.